Welcome to Top Best Picks. The B.TAN tan is probably one of the most popular and accessible self-tanning solutions available, offering a convenient way for men to achieve a sun-kissed glow without the harmful effects of UV exposure. Whether you're looking to add a subtle warmth to your skin or a deeper bronze for a special occasion, B.TAN provides a range of products designed to deliver natural-looking results. Its ease of application and quick-drying formula make it a go-to choice for those seeking a hassle-free tanning experience, ensuring you can achieve a confident, healthy-looking complexion right at home. Number 5. B.TAN Dark and Ultra Long Lasting Self-Tan Kit Besties Bundle. Get ready for a beautiful, dark tan that lasts. This kit provides an ultra-long lasting sunless tan for both face and body. Our Besties bundle includes a tanning mousse duo, perfect for sharing or for extra applications. Enjoy a convenient and effective tanning experience. Need a tan in a hurry? This express formula develops a gorgeous sun-kissed glow in just 1 hour. It's fast, easy, and delivers stunning results. Say goodbye to that unpleasant fake tan odor. Our unique formula ensures you smell fresh and natural while achieving a beautiful tan. Achieve an even and streak-free application every time with the included mitt applicator glove. It makes tanning your entire body simple and mess-free. Enjoy a deep, dark tan that looks natural and lasts for days. This sunless tanner provides a beautiful, long-lasting glow without the need for sun exposure. What we like. This one offers a rapid tanning experience, developing a deep color in just 1 hour. It's designed for those who want a quick tan without the typical self-tanner odor. If you're short on time or dislike the smell of traditional tanners, this is your go-to. What people say. No orange Oompa Loompa color. Fades beautifully. Just like a natural tan would fade. Zero weird spots. The mousse glided on effortlessly, and thanks to the high-quality mitt included in the kit, I was able to achieve an even, streak-free finish with zero hassle. Number 4. New Skin Sunright Insta Glow Self-Tanner Gel. Achieve a natural-looking summer tan with ease. This product delivers a beautiful bronzed look for both your face and body. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while it tans. Enjoy a healthy and radiant complexion. It utilizes DHA and amino acids to create a natural-looking tan. Get that sun-kissed glow without the sun exposure. This versatile gel is perfect for use all over. Achieve an even and consistent tan wherever you desire. Experience an instant glow that enhances your natural beauty. It's your secret to looking beautifully bronzed year-round. The lightweight gel formula glides on smoothly for effortless application. Achieve flawless results every time. What we like. Achieve a natural-looking summer glow with this moisturizing formula. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while it tans. If you're looking for a subtle, healthy-looking tan that also conditions your skin, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The gel formula is lightweight and smooth, making it very easy to apply without streaks. The color develops into a natural-looking glow rather than an orange tone. Works great. Fast natural tan with no lines or staining your hands. Number 3. Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Mousse, Medium. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow with our Bali Bronzing Mousse. This medium shade delivers a natural-looking tan without any streaks. Our innovative formula ensures a flawless, streak-free finish every time. Enjoy a smooth and even application for a perfect tan. This bundle includes everything you need for a perfect tan. A soft mitt applicator and a kabuki brush are provided for easy and seamless application. Feel good about your tan. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can glow with confidence. Get that healthy, radiant look you desire. It's your go-to solution for a beautiful, natural-looking self-tan. What we like. This bundle ensures a flawless, streak-free application thanks to the included mitt and kabuki brush. It's a conscious choice for vegans and animal lovers. If you prioritize a smooth, even tan and ethical beauty products, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The mousse goes on so smoothly, and the included mitt makes application practically foolproof. No streaks, no weird orange tones, and it actually smells good like tropical vacation good, not the usual self-tanner smell. The color develops beautifully, a natural, golden tan that makes me look like I just came back from a week in Bali, minus the sun damage. It dries quickly, doesn't transfer onto clothes, and fades gradually without patchiness. Huge win. Number 2. B.TAN Best Clear Self-Tanning Gel Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Best Clear Self-Tanning Gel Kit. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan from the comfort of your home. This kit offers an ultra-dark shade and a quick express formula, so you can get your desired glow in no time. It's perfect for both your face and body, ensuring an even and flawless tan all over. The included applicator makes application a breeze, helping you achieve streak-free results every time. Enjoy your tan without any worries. This formula is designed for no transfer, keeping your clothes and sheets clean. Embrace your unique beauty and glow your own way with this easy-to-use self-tanning kit. What we like. Experience an ultra-dark tan with a clear gel that won't transfer onto your clothes. This express formula is perfect for achieving a deep, rich color quickly and cleanly. If you desire a dramatic, dark tan and want to avoid stained fabrics, this product is ideal. What people say. It's a good product that gives a nice color. The tan lasts for a good amount of time. Easy to apply and gives a natural-looking tan. Number 1. Norvell Venetian Sunless Tanner Mousse. Introducing our revolutionary Sunless Tanning Mousse. Get an instant, natural-looking tan without the sun. This luxurious mousse provides immediate bronzing for a beautiful, sun-kissed look. It's your secret to a perfect glow. Experience a natural-looking tan that is formulated to be anti-orange. Enjoy a believable and beautiful color. The lightweight mousse formula glides on smoothly for easy and even application. Achieve a streak-free finish every time. Achieve that coveted bronzed glow with our advanced self-tanning solution. It's the ultimate way to get a flawless fake tan. This generous 8 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of product for multiple applications. Keep your radiant glow going. What we like. Get an instant bronzed glow with a formula that guarantees natural-looking results and combats any orange tones. It provides immediate color while developing a beautiful, believable tan. If you want immediate gratification with a natural finish and no brassiness, this is the one to pick. What people say. The color is a nice natural-looking tan. It doesn't streak or leave you looking orange. The scent is a light coconut smell, not like other tanners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.